Meaning of inebriation.
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 Inebriation. The word inebriation refers to the state of being drunk or intoxicated by alcohol or drugs. It is a result of consuming substances that affect the central nervous system and alter one's perception, behavior, and cognitive functions. Inebriation can produce a range of physical and psychological effects, including impaired judgment and coordination, slurred speech, memory loss, nausea, and even unconsciousness, depending on the level of intoxication. Excessive or chronic inebriation can lead to addiction, liver damage, brain damage, and other serious health problems. Therefore, it is generally advised to consume alcohol and drugs responsibly and in moderation to avoid the negative consequences of inebriation.